Hello and welcome back to my channel. Far away, we have another one, another Vicrez item. Let's see what it is. Alright guys, let's do a quick unboxing, then the installation. Let me open it up. You're gonna love it. First of all, before showing you the item, I want to thank Vicrez for allowing me to review this item. Guys, I'm telling you, go to Vicrez website. You're gonna be surprised as to how many things they do have. They even got tires for your vehicles, guys. So go to their website. You're not gonna be disappointed. Make your car look good. All right, let's just go with the unboxing. There it is, guys. This is a carbon fiber steering wheel for my Charger. I'm without words. This thing looks 100 times better than the picture. It is awesome. Real nice. The finish is one of a kind. Let me give you a couple of shots, close-ups, so that you can see it. Before we start, these are the tools you're going to be needing. A T20. A pick, a 10mm socket, your ratchet, a T55, a little small flathead, and I'm gonna be using my impact. You don't need this, but it helps. All right, let's just go to my vehicle and start showing how to install it. You are going to transfer the airbags. You are going to transfer all your buttons. Everything is going to be transferred to this steering wheel, and I am going to show you every single little step. Let's begin. First of all, go to your trunk, take your 10mm socket, wrench, and disconnect the battery. You're going to disconnect the negative terminal. After it's been disconnected, just wait for about 30 minutes so that everything can power down and you can continue. After 30 minutes have passed, you're going to come to your car. On the side of the steering wheel, you're going to find two holes, one on the left and one on the right there. You're going to take your pick, insert it. There's going to be a little bit of tension. That's where you're going to press so that you can release the airbag. Okay, once you have pressed both sides, the airbag is going to get loose. It's going to loosen. After this, there's going to be 3 wires that you're going to disconnect. 1 black, 2 yellow. Okay, those 2 yellow and this one. You're going to disconnect them. Let's begin with the black one. This one right here, all you got to do is pull it. Okay, the other 2, they have a lock. This little orange piece right here, you're gonna have to lift it up just like that, and it's gonna be able to be pried out. You don't have to mark them because they're color coded. That yellow one goes to the yellow one. That turquoise color one goes to that turquoise colored one. After you disconnected them, the airbag's gone. Now that the airbag has been removed, you're gonna remove this center bolt. Okay, I'm using a T55 with a impact drill. Let's remove it. There you go. Okay, now that you have the bolt off, you can remove this piece right here. Okay, now that you remove that piece, this is next. This connection right here, you have to unplug it. Okay, now that you disconnected it, just move it out of the way. Now you can remove the steering wheel. Just be very careful. You're gonna have to feed these two wires. These two wires are gonna stay, but just do it slow. There you go. Now leave that there. You're good to go. You got your steering wheel. Let's go prep it so we can transfer everything to the other steering wheel. All right, we got the both steering wheels here. Now let's transfer everything from here to there. I'm gonna start by removing these bolts right there with, I believe it's T20. We're gonna remove them and go from there. Once you unscrew those two bolts, you're gonna turn the wheel over. All right, right here, you're gonna take a little small flathead and you're gonna pry this up. Just pry it up so you can take these little covers off and expose the bolt right there. You can see it and remove it. Do the same thing on this side. All right, after that, you're gonna lift up, you're gonna find another bolt there, which you're gonna remove. Okay, now I flipped the steering wheel over and there's 3 bolts, 1, 2, and 3. We're gonna take those off. All right, the bolts have been removed. Now we can move this out of the way, put them here in the center, because you're gonna have to disconnect this wire right here, this black one. So disconnect it. All right, I removed it right there and I did the opposite. I fed through the wire through there and it's gonna go back to where it belongs. Now do the same thing on the other side. This black one right here, disconnect it. Okay, I transferred that one, did this exact same thing. I just left it there. Now we're gonna transfer all this center part over here. Okay, let's transfer everything. There is a plate right there that you need to remove. This one's gonna go right here. Just leave it there for now. Let's transfer all the wires over here. This is how it looks. Okay, this is gonna transfer right there. For your old steering wheel, we're done with it. After placing all that back, let's start putting the screws back. There's 3 of them. Remember, 1, 2, and 3. Alright, now remember to connect this one back. We're gonna run it through this side right here and through this back. Like that. Let's connect it. Right, it's connected. Do the same on the other side. Alright, both of them are connected. Let's place this back. Remember to run these wires through the back. Don't leave them like this. This one needs to go through the back. Let me just put back that screw that goes right there so it can just stay in place. There you go. Everything's running through the back. That way the bolt is going to hold it in place. Let's put that bolt back. Okay, you're done here in the front. Flip the steering wheel over so we can continue on the back. Alright, here we go. We need 2 bolts in each side. One black that goes right there, and the silver one that goes right there that's going to be holding this, the shifters, the paddle shifters. Alright, once those 2 bolts are tightened, you can put this back. There it is. Do the same on the other side. Just bolt it on. Put these little covers, put these little covers back, and you're done with the steering wheel. Go back to the car. Right, remember to feed these 2 wires, those yellow wires, those are for the airbag. Remember to feed them through that little hole right there. Alright, the steering wheel is back on. Now let's connect this connection right here. Now get your plate back, this plate that you removed. Before putting the bolt, you need this plate. Put it back. Next, get your bolt, put it back. Okay, now with my impact, just gonna tighten it. Alright, once you tighten that bolt, comes the airbag. Remember, it's color coded, yellow with yellow, blue with blue. Alright, once you inserted those 2 wires, remember, press that orange tab down. That's to lock it in. There you go. Okay, now comes the black wire. Connect it back. There it is, everything's connected. Now, what you gotta look for is that no wires are gonna get pinched. All you gotta do, just press it in. You're gonna feel a little resistance because of the 2 connecting rods that are there, but just press it until you hear those clicks. You're good. Now, how does that look? Beautiful. After the steering wheel has been installed, come back, reattach your negative cable, tighten it, and you're good. And this will be it, guys. I want to thank Vicrez for allowing me to review this steering wheel. Feels nice, sturdy, gives it a different look. Thank you. And also, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Hit that thumbs up, hit that little heart so you can help out the channel. And like always, guys, God bless.